Hey everyone, if your Life360 isn't updating your location, don't worry, I'll walk you through a few steps to fix this to get it working again. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet, proper internet. If your internet is not working, switch to the mobile data. And another step is to enable the location services. Go to the settings. After you go to the settings, search for privacy and go to the location services. Find Life360 and set it to always allow with precise location turned on. Without this, it won't update in real time. And step 3 is to background app refresh. Next option, open your phone settings, scroll through the Life360 and turn on the background app refresh. This keeps your location updating even if the app isn't working or open. And step 4 is to restart and update. If it's still stuck, restart your phone and check the App Store or Google Play Store and search for the Life360 and its original or latest version is up to date. An outdated app can cause the sync issue, so make sure to update the application. And that's how you fix Life360 when it's not updating the location. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you want more Life360 tips, and I'll see you in the next one.